Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best dog ramps is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for pet owners who want to ensure their furry friends can safely and comfortably access vehicles, furniture, or other elevated surfaces, especially for older dogs, those with mobility issues, or even just to prevent strain on their joints during everyday activities. This review will delve into the top-rated dog ramps available on the market, examining their features, durability, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your beloved canine companion. Number 5. PetSafe Happy Ride Folding Dog Ramp. Introducing the Happy Ride Folding Dog Ramp. It's designed to help your furry friend access vehicles of all types, making travel a breeze for everyone. Despite weighing only 10 pounds, this ramp can support dogs up to 150 pounds. Its clever folding design makes it easy to take anywhere. Your pet's safety is paramount. This ramp features high-traction treads, protective side rails, and stable rubber feet to prevent slips and wobbles. When not in use, it conveniently folds in half and locks securely with a safety latch. This makes storage simple and hassle-free between adventures. This is part of a wider range of mobility solutions designed to help pets of all ages reach their favorite places. We offer a variety of products to enhance your pet's life. We are committed to quality and proudly manufacture this ramp in the United States. Trust in our dedication to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for your pets. What we like. If you have a smaller vehicle or need something easy to store, this is a great option. It's incredibly lightweight, making it simple to carry and set up. The folding design means it won't take up much space when not in use. What people say. The ramp is lightweight and easy to set up. My dog, who is 100 pounds, uses it with no problem. It has a non-slip surface that provides great traction. Number 4. PetSafe Happy Ride Extra Long Telescoping Dog Ramp. Introducing the Happy Ride Extra Long Telescoping Dog Ramp. It extends up to 87 inches, making it perfect for reaching the highest trucks and SUVs. Despite its strength, it's surprisingly lightweight at only 18 pounds. Your pet's safety is our priority. This ramp features non-slip rubber feet and high-traction surfaces, along with side rails to prevent any accidental slips. It also includes a safety latch for secure storage. Whether you have a small, medium, or large companion, this ramp is built to support them. It can safely hold dogs weighing up to 300 pounds, ensuring a secure journey for every pet. Designed for life on the go, this ramp slides inward for easy storage between adventures. Take it with you anywhere your travels may lead. We offer a full range of mobility solutions to help your senior pets enjoy their favorite places. Discover our ramps, lift harnesses, and other helpful accessories. For over 2 decades, PetSafe has been dedicated to creating products that ensure pets are happy, healthy, and safe. Our US-based customer care team is always ready to assist you. What we like. For those with taller trucks or SUVs, this ramp is a game changer. Its impressive extension length ensures your pet can safely access even the highest cargo areas. If you need maximum reach and support for larger breeds, this is the one to consider. What people say. This ramp is very sturdy and well built. It holds my 70 pounds dog with no issues. The ramp is wide enough for my dog to feel secure walking up and down. It folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. Number 3. Solvit 62337 Deluxe Telescoping Pet Ramp. Easily help your furry friend reach new heights. This ramp extends to accommodate various vehicles, making adventures accessible for all stages of their life. No more jumping or struggling. It provides a gentle incline, ensuring a comfortable and safe way for your pet to get in and out of cars. Designed with high-traction surfaces and side rails, it offers superior grip and prevents slips. A safety latch ensures it stays securely folded when not in use. This ramp extends from 39 to 72 inches, perfect for reaching the back of vans and SUVs. Its adaptable design fits your needs. Whether you have a small companion or a larger breed, this ramp is built to support them. It's a reliable solution for pets of all sizes. Everything you need is included in this package. Get ready to make travel easier for both you and your beloved pet. What we like. If you have a larger pet or a taller vehicle like a van or SUV, this ramp offers excellent reach and a high weight capacity. Its telescoping feature makes it adaptable, and the robust support ensures safety for bigger dogs. What people say. The ramp is lightweight and easy to deploy. It provides a stable and secure surface for my dog to walk on. The non-slip surface ensures my dog has good traction. Number 2. Carlson 39.5 Indoor Pet Ramp. Introducing a revolutionary way to help your pets access furniture without strain. This ramp reduces stress on their joints, making it easier for them to get on and off beds and couches. Our ramp features a carpeted tread for secure paw grip, ensuring your pet feels safe with every step. The rubber feet provide stability on any floor surface. Easily adjust the height to perfectly match your furniture, whether it's a bed, sofa, or chair. This makes it a truly versatile solution for your home. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. With built-in handles, you can effortlessly take it anywhere your pet goes, even on vacation. Crafted from wood and steel, this ramp is built to last. It offers sturdy support for pets of all sizes, allowing them to move around your home with confidence. What we like. This ramp is perfect for indoor use, helping your pet access beds, couches, or chairs without strain. If you're looking for a solution to aid pets with mobility issues around the house, its adjustable height and non-slip surface make it ideal. What people say. The ramp is lightweight and easy to set up, making it convenient for daily use. It provides a stable and non-slip surface, ensuring my dog feels secure when walking up and down. The ramp is wide enough for my large dog to comfortably use without feeling cramped. Number 1. Pet Gear Chocolate Travel Lite Ramp. Discover the ultimate solution for your pet's mobility needs. This innovative ramp offers convenience and safety for both you and your furry friend. Its slip-resistant surface ensures secure footing with every step. Rubber grippers on the bottom provide steady placement, preventing any unwanted movement. Designed for life on the go, it folds easily for compact storage. A built-in handle makes it simple to carry wherever your adventures take you. This ramp is built to last, supporting pets up to 200 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your pet can access elevated spaces safely and comfortably. Experience the freedom of travel with your pet. This ramp makes every journey smoother and more accessible for your beloved companion. What we like. For pet owners who travel frequently, this ramp offers a great balance of portability and capacity. Its easy fold design and built-in handle make it convenient to take on the go. If you need a reliable ramp for various vehicles that's easy to transport, this is a solid choice. What people say. The ramp is lightweight and easy to set up, making it convenient for travel. My dog, who is usually hesitant with new things, took to this ramp immediately. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, ensuring my dog's safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.